Hello, my name is Mariah Mesa, and today I'm going to be interpreting this data set. The first point I want to make about the data set are the effects of crop oil concentrate on the different herbicides. One of them is Select and the other one is Arrow. As you can see right here, this is the Select herbicide by itself, and it controlled about 50% of Johnson grass, and when it's mixed with the crop oil concentrate, it controlled 95%. When Arrow herbicide was by itself, it controlled about 50% of Johnson grass, and when mixed with the crop oil concentrate, it controlled 95% of the Johnson grass. Now moving on to Bermuda grass, the Select by itself controlled 15% of the Bermuda grass, while the Select with the crop oil concentrate controlled 40%. And then you see those results the exact same with the Arrow and the Arrow crop oil concentrate, controlling 15% and 40% again. With Field Sandburr, Select by itself controlled 65% of the Field Sandburr, and with the crop oil concentrate controlled 100%. And the same thing is evident for Field Sandburr in the Arrow controlling 50, as well as the Arrow with the crop oil concentrate controlling 100. The second point I want to make are the effects of Select with the crop oil concentrate versus the Fusilade with the crop oil concentrate. As you can see, with Johnson grass, Bermuda grass, and Field Sandburr, everything was the same. Whether it was the Select crop oil concentrate or the Fusilade with the crop oil concentrate, all of the numbers seem to be the same at 95 here for Johnson grass, 40% here for Bermuda grass, and 100% here for Field Sandburr. And the reason for that is because both of those herbicides are actually classified under Group 1, with their active ingredients being clethodim as well as fluazepop. And so those look like they're the same results-wise. The third point I would like to make are the effects of 2,4-D on Select with the crop oil concentrate. Now, when it comes to Johnson grass, the Select with the crop oil concentrate came in at about 95% controlled, and the Select with the crop oil concentrate and the 2,4-D came in at about 65%. For the rest of these, they're the same for the Bermuda grass coming in at 40% and the Field Sandburr coming in at 100%. The Palmer Amaranth was only controlled by the Select with the crop oil concentrate and the 2,4-D because it's a broadleaf crop, and 2,4-D is the only thing in this entire data set that actually controlled broadleaf crops. So that's why it wasn't controlled at all with the Select and the crop oil concentrate alone. And I believe that the reason for this lowering with the 2,4-D was just based on the toxicity level. In conclusion, my first point was crop oil concentrate has a pretty big positive impact on the effect herbicides with clethodim have on weeds. My second point was Select and Fusilade with crop oil concentrate had the same effect on weeds because they are both Group 1 herbicides. And then my third point was Select and crop oil concentrate and 2,4-D mixed together affected Bermuda grass and Field Sandburr the same as Select with crop oil concentrate, but it had a negative effect on Johnson grass based on the toxicity level that Johnson grass can handle. And that's all I've got. Thank you.